Okay. Belum ada lagi. Can you put your name class kat sini? Please put your name ni. Siapa ni? Page 5 ni. Page 5, please put your name. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ada. Nur Dayana Natasha ada letak nama. Then others tak letak. Okay, this one. Okay, dia copy saya punya. Siapa punya ni? Please put your name. You all tukar. Can you all change to, saya tukarkan pada background. Macam mana kalau I want to put every pages frame dia macam ini? Anyone knows how? Senang sikit tak bengkok-bengkok. Kan kalau kotak-kotak tu. Okay, I put everyone dia punya background yang ni ya. Good. Please put your name. Okay, Lim. Ni siapa? Page 6. Okay. Let's say, I got to put the unit. Let's say the unit is 2 lah sini. Bukan 1 ni. Slap. Sorry. Pandangnya 1. Sorry, because 4 square is equal to 1. So this one. Okay, I put 1 here. Macam bentuk. Okay, another hint. The first one is actually time shift. So time shift. So if I put TS meaning time shift. And then -2 kalau kita tengok tu time shift to the right or left class? T -2 to the right, to the right.
To the right.
To the right. Okay, good. To the right. T equal to 2. What about the second one? The scaling, and then because the value is more than 1, so compress. Okay, compress by factor of 2. 2 ataupun bila kita kata compress, dia half lah. Okay, and then the second one is actually because the value is more than 1, expand by factor of 0.2, maknanya di sini 1/0.2, they expand 5 times. Times, apa yang saya buat ni? Saya tak ada padam. Okay, sini. Tak habis. So the last one is very easy lah. So reversal. So ada siapa yang dah siap? Bara? Belum siap. Okay. Willy? Willy ni yang mana? Yang? So the black one is compress
Yes, Doctor.
Blue one nombor 1.
Yes.
Okay, teruskan. Lim. Kenapa lim ni mana hilang dekat sini? Sini. 1. Okay, so compress. Reversal. Okay. Yang lain. Ni siapa? Page number 8. Can you put your name? Tak ada nama. Okay, Tanvi Hong. This one. Shift to the right. Press, expand. So. Siap lagi. Kita apa dimaafkan. Awal-awal gerak shot. Okay, Amirul tandakan ni kenapa putus-putus ni? Dia okay, saya punya gambar lah kot tak betul ni sebab ramai buat putus ni. Okay, macam ni. Tukar dia. Itulah biru dia ni. Okay. Ramai yang buat putus-putus kat sini tak ada. Okay. The square dengan satu. ni? Kenapa pilih padang? Patin. Okay. Ada dua lagi. Natasha. Ni patang bukan empat segi tu. Then the value 1 sama ni. Miro teruskan. Password. Takif, please. This is actually a square. The blue one is actually the square. Amiza, please put the value of x here so that I can see how much you shift and you compress. Okay, teruskan, Myra. Okay.
Doctor, can you add more pages so I can add my solution?
I don't know how to add more pages. Add kat sini ke? How to add more pages actually. I think they allow only 20 pages.
Okay, so can I post on the WhatsApp group?
Okay, or hold on. Add another pages. Okay, you may send to the WhatsApp group. Okay, it's already more than 10. Okay, so the first one, shift to the right. So what shall our signal be? Shift to the right. So since the tau here is 2, the O tau here is 2. So whatever this one will shifted to 2 lah. So -1 will go to +1, 0 will go to this point, 2, this one will go to 3, this one will go to 2 plus 2, 4. So therefore the first one will be x1t, which is x t minus 2. Okay, so 1, dia akan pergi ke 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here. Okay, the amplitude remain. Okay, so 1 will go to 1, 0 will go to 2. So it will be like this. And then the 1 will go to 3 and the 2 will go to 4. So we have something like this. So this is the first one. Hopefully everybody got it right. Okay, so number 2. Compressed by a factor of 2. So compressed meaning it will be reduced half of it, 1/2. Okay, so everything on T will be reduced to half of it. Saya gerak-gerak. This time saya pakai -1, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 5, 2, okay, and so forth. Okay, so the amplitude remain, so x2 t equal to x2 t. So only the time will be compressed by a factor of 2. So katakan I put it to 0.5, Q1. So saya guna, okay. Then the 2 will boleh? So far okay semua? This is for number 2. Change to red. This one, number 3. So number 3, expand by a factor of 0.2 or 1/0.2, this is 5 times. Semua tak saya nak buat ni. So 1 will be expanded 5 times. So sini 1. So will be expanded 5 times. So saya buat di sini. Cukup. So for number 3, it's 5. So x3 will be x 0.2 t. Okay. So 0.2 t maknanya dia kena expand. So expand. So the first one tadi sini 0. This one is 1. This one is 2. So expand 5 times. 1. So it looks like this. Berapa panjangnya? Okay. And then the final one, reversal. So I think it's easier. Kita mirrorkan dia pada number 4. Tadi. Ada color lain lah. Hijau, okay. Okay. So it will be reversal. How should it looks like, class? So sini pergi ke sana. So let's say now I make it. Okay, boleh dah ni. So 1, so 1 besar sikit. Then 2, 1, 2. Oh, tak muat, tak payah. So this one will be 1. Tak muat. Okay. So -1. Cik sangatlah pula saya buat ni. Okay, so far, any question? Okay. Sarah got it right, just the scale betul kan? Then, oh lama, Willy serabutnya. Okay. Please do it separately kalau ada exam, pening pada saya nak tanda. Okay, so I think most of you got it right. Okay. Okay, good, very good. Okay. Mirror. Okay, good. Aswad? What happened, Aswad? Okay, Takif. Okay. Za. Sianya tulisan kurang. Okay. Tuti ni apa kena buat 0.5 Okay. Okay, so most of you got it right. So let us go to, we have few minutes time. Banyak ni, actually example saya banyak ni, tapi tak sempat. So let us go to the second example. Second example maknanya I have to buat jambot lain lah ni kan, sebab 20 pages only. Okay, never mind, you try this one first, signal operation for, soalan saya tak habis. Sketch the following signals. So my question tu tak habis. X1t will be X23 plus 2t plus 3. So dia ada scaling dan juga shift for the signals. Okay. 2t plus 3. Sketch. Sketch for X1 t equal to X 2t plus 3. Okay, so ada scaling and then ada shift. You try on the paper first. Let me create another Jamboard pages. Okay, saya bagi link lagi. Stop sharing first. We try the exercise first. Let me do the Jamboard setting. Okay, the Jamboard pages for second exercise. Saya nak copy ni. Okay. So this is the question. So we have sawtooth and then square. Then we have to do the scaling and the shifting. So maybe you can try both. You do the scaling first and then the shifting, or the shifting and then the scaling. Okay, first page siapa nama? Name please. Okay. So I go to my page, the first one. Okay, so there will be two ways to tackle that. Okay, so first, let's say you want to do the scaling first. Okay, so time scaling, I put it time scaling. So bukan XT. XT to X to T. And then after that, you do the time shift. Okay, so since this is 2, okay, so in order to go to the shifting, sebab dia X to T, So this one will be plus 1.5. Okay, so it will be shifting to the left of by time shift left 1.5 second. So x 2t plus 3. Okay, so that is the first and if you want to do the scaling and then the shifting, or another way, xt shift dulu. Okay, so since sama jugalah, maknanya dia shift, dia go by, kalau kita buat sini shift, okay, dia shift macam mana saya nak tulis saya tulis apa 1.5 ni. So, 1.5. Plus. Okay. So X yang hijau tadi. Okay. Sama jugalah, maknanya sini 3/2 is shifting by 1.5. Okay. Time shift. And then time scale. Anyone? Okay, dia share satu kotak. Apa ni? Okay, Willy. Willy dekat sini. Double check the x-axis, Willy. Arif, okay. Kat sini berapa? 1.5 Syarif? This one. 0.5 ke? Mana Syarif?
Saya buat 0.5.
Tulis sini 0.5. So, okay, tak apalah, kat sini dah tulis. Okay, Syarif. Okay, most of you got it. Fatin boleh cuba lagi. Zah. Macam ya. Okay. Scaling and then shifting. Tan dengan lim. Okay. Dia punya value salah tu. 14, not yet. Banyak kosong this one, takif. Takif, the shift tu is not 3 because the T is actually 2T, not T. So the shift will be 3/2. Okay. Okay. Amirul, okay. Dan lain tak siap. Natasha, so far macam mana? Okay. Okay, so let us discuss how should it goes. Try reconnect. Okay, so let us try the green one. The green one, first it says we scale. So since this one is x2t, meaning that everything will be compressed lah. Sebab dia punya value tu 2t. So saya buat dekat atas di sini. So this one will be black. Kalau saya compress, bermakna di sini everything will be reduced half of it lah. So let's say initially signal saya 10. Saya kata apa tadi? Okay, ataupun silap ini. Kita buat yang hitam dulu lah. Padam. Serabut. Saya buat yang apa? Scaling dulu. Let me do the scaling first. And shift. Kita tengok apa rupa dia bila kita scale. Okay, so I'll do this in my iPad. So bila saya scale, because this is 2. Buat x2t first. Okay, so whatever 2 will goes to half of it, so -1. Amplitude remain 1. So kalau sini 2 reduce it will be, saya punya scale salah ni. Besar tak muat. So sebab kalau tadi dia 2 -2, so it will be -1. Kecil lah sikit. Okay, so the same goes for the positive. Okay, so kalau kat sini 2 to 4, which is 2, so dia akan reduce to 1. Jadi dia goes to this one. Okay, semua orang boleh untuk scaling, kita buat scaling dulu. Any questions so far? Okay, then from scaling, kita pergi shifting. Okay, this one yang trick dia lah. Because bila kita buat x t plus tau or x T minus tau. So in this case, our case is positive. Okay. Either kalau positif, kita kata dia pergi ke mana? Left or right? Class? Dia akan pergi ke positif, dia akan pergi ke left. So usually the T here is T, not 2T macam case like our case. So this one meaning kita kena tukarkan dalam bentuk standard form lah. Okay. So in the standard form it will be X tu yang ni. Okay. So let me do it something like this. So the shifting is actually 1.5. Okay, so how will our signal looks like from here? This one dia pergi T shift left. Macam mana rupa dia tu? So satu akan pergi tambah 1.5. Saya buat hijau kat sini. Okay. So saya punya ni ya, iPad. So saya di sini saya tulis di iPad di sini. So 1 akan pergi plus 1.5, 0, 1.5, yang ni juga sama lah. Okay, so bila 1, scaling saya macam mana ni, 1, 1, X, 3. Okay, so dia akan yang 1 minus 1 will go to 2.5 Kalau saya silap tengokkan 2.5 1 and then 0 will plus 1.5. So sini since it goes to the left and then 1 will another 1.5, so it will be minus 5. Okay, this one 5, 1.5, so it will go to 5, so 0.5 here minus 0.5 here. So yang ni pun value dia -1. -1. Okay, so this is first scaling and then time shift left. Okay, what about the other way round? Kita buat shift dulu and then kita compress. So I think you can try that one. Shift dulu 3. Kalau saya buat kat sini lah. Shift dulu 3, so everything will go, try to do in red. Okay, kalau kita shift 3, so everything will plus and then saya compress. So I think it should be the same. Kalau saya pergi kepada shifting and then the compress, yes. So, shifting dulu then compress. Press by 2T. Okay, so shifting here 3. Plus 3. 5. 4. 3. Then 2 to 4. 2, 4. Okay, so D adalah X. X3 plus 3 ya. Then bila kita compress by 2t, time scaling so scale sebanyak 2, scale sebanyak 2 maknanya kita reduce half. Okay. Somewhat. Okay. It should go the same thing lah kat sini because kalau kita tengok kat sini so the first one yang ni akan jadi half 0.5 and then everything will be compressed. This one will be compressed half and half. So initially we have like this one shifting to 3 and then kita compress by 2. Okay. How shall I put it here? So yang ni half jadi 2.5, jadi 1.5, 0.5 minus this one also 0.5. So kalau kita buat scaling 2.5, saya tulis value je lah, dah tak ikut scale ni. Minus 1.5, 0.5. So then 0.5. Okay. So end up sama lah. Any question? Dah habis masa dah ni. So okay class, please go to your notes. Okay, so there are more examples here. We will discuss further during our class tomorrow. So kita ada macam ni, for example, we have a signal. We want to write it in the equations. Kalau kita tengok sini ni step, this one ramp, step, and then step. And then another one is that we have the equations, how do we plot the signal? So we will discuss that tomorrow, plus final topics on even and odd, how we do the sketching of the, given a signal, how do we sketch the even and odd component of the signal. Okay, so that will be topic tomorrow. Any question?
No.
So far okay tak? Abbas tanya apa? T equal to half, right? This one for what, Abbas? For first example, second example? What do you mean by T equal to half, right? Second example with 2T plus 3, and then you can look at the, okay, you can go to this one, transformation. Okay, here. So I'm showing you the two method. The first one is you scale and then you shift. This one you shift and then you scale. Which one that you feel comfortable with? Both methods are the same. So I think I will further explain tomorrow because now it's 4 o'clock already. Okay, so see you all tomorrow.
Boleh Doktor.
I try to draw balik semula ni lah bagi cantik-cantik sikit. Serabut ke sini I'll try to draw in my iPad and then kita discuss further tomorrow for this example. Is it okay?
Okay Doktor.
Okay. Okay, bye class. That's all for today. See you. Attendance.
Alright.
Attendance.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. So any
Thank you so much,
questions?
Doktor.
We discuss tomorrow. So those
Thank you,
of
Doctor.
you slide in. Kat mana slide in saya tadi? Attendance.
Thank you, Doktor.
See you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
Doctor.
Terima kasih,
Okay.
Doktor.
Sama-sama.
Terima kasih, Doktor.
Sama. Okay, one more. Abbas, have you slide in? Okay, bye.